Good morning. Welcome to day 3 of the Trade the Pool evaluation. Just getting everything set up here. Move this over. Okay, so I wanted to run through what I'm looking at. It is 9:18. Got about 12 minutes before the market opens here. So I was looking at this morning first. I was looking at NVIDIA. NVIDIA had a gap up. Let's see if I can pull this up here. 15-minute chart. So you can see NVIDIA gapped up. Had the pre-market highs around $130 a share. It's been selling off since 8:15. About 8 o'clock, it's been selling off pretty good. So we're back into the yesterday's range on NVIDIA. Let's take a look at the Qs right quick. So yeah, the Qs are selling off too. This morning looked like the Qs wanted to gap up. Take a look at the daily here. Pull up the daily. Yeah, we had a strong bullish day yesterday. Prior day was pretty weak. I thought I had let me see something. No. It was a SPY. But yeah, here are my levels that I'm looking at on the Qs. Qs selling off this morning too. Looking at this level up here about 183 on the Qs. Had some resistance. It's kind of supported here, resistance. I was looking at price maybe to get back up there and then to sell off, but we didn't quite make it. There's no real key economic data this morning. So this green line, that's last week's lows. Kind of had some kind of resisted against last week's lows here 2 days ago. What was that? On Monday, sold off into this demand zone here and then came back up. So yeah, overall, Qs look like they're gonna have an inside day too. See if we could break out either on the on the upside, or has ways to go before it breaks down under the downside. SPY. Yeah, SPY is doing the same thing. Being supported. And this week's lows around 542.28. So yeah, well, SPY's coming right. It's getting real close to this week's lows. Last week's lows was at $541.61. I don't think we'll see that today. If we do come down into the lows of the week, I think that's where SPY might be able to, find some support. So I don't really have a call whether I'm going to be, too much bullish on the market or bearish on the market this morning. It's kind of mixed. Looking at Google yesterday, Google broke through its all-time highs. Yeah. So take a look at the daily first, right? So yeah, you can see this was all-time highs here on Google. Nice strong candle, bullish candle. Bit of some volume, not too much volume on that breakout. I mean, you can see on this candle here, what was that, Monday, going right into all-time highs. It didn't break then, but you could look at this as a 1, 2, 3 play, right? You know, maybe for a longer term swing trade. You know, he had this strong bullish candle, closed near its highs. One little bearish candle kind of inside day there, break through, you know, break above that. So might be looking higher on Google here. Let's see, pull up the 15-minute chart. So yeah, Google's coming right in these areas that I was looking to play maybe. So there's 182, give or take, 182.80, 182 level. That was a level here that I was looking at on Google for a possible, you know, long. And then the ideal would be, excuse me, the ideal would be 182 down here. So you got 183 and then 182. So yeah, see if Google holds up. Back to NVIDIA, right quick. So back to NVIDIA. NVIDIA is looking weak this morning. Like I said on the daily chart, I don't think NVIDIA is going to go straight up, right? I think we're going to get some type of consolidation in here. Yeah, so I just can't see NVIDIA just going straight right back up to its highs. Although it could do that, I just think we'll get a couple days, maybe the rest of the week, consolidation in this you know, area from let's say 127, you know, to 117, 1750. So yeah, truthfully, I just can't see NVIDIA just going straight up, right? So we got pre-market highs around 130 on NVIDIA. Yeah, I'm looking for maybe kind of like come up, kind of like make it this U-turn, come back down. Some support would be around 122, 90, 122. So yeah, we're coming, you know, we're making a move here. The close on, well, yesterday's highs on NVIDIA was 126.60. So yeah, we're coming right back up into that level right now. And then my favorite here is Tesla, TSLA. So yeah, Tesla's holding up a little bit. You know, I spoke on this yesterday. You know, this kind of looks like a curl, maybe possibly 200. I don't know if we'll see it this week. See if it breaks out today. If it breaks out today on some, you know, nice momentum push, I mean, you could get close. I mean, it might. The overall market's looking a bit weak. I think we're just going to be in just for kind of a range day today in the overall market. You know, the Qs, the NASDAQ, the S&Ps. I think we're going to be in an overall range. Like I said, no economic data coming out, so might be a bit of a range today. Let's see, we got these imbalances coming out. Let's finish up this Tesla right quick. So yeah, Tesla overall, Tesla's looking wow, yeah, Google just imbalances just came out. Google's trading right into that 182. Tesla's holding up here. Yeah, Tesla's holding up. So we got AMD. Haven't really done much lately on AMD. It's kind of been choppy. Apple's another good trade. I don't trade Apple too much, just because the daily range has been, you know, hasn't been real wide lately. Well, it has ever since that Apple event. Yeah, the daily range on Apple is usually not that, not that wide. So, but yeah, no, Apple's been making some moves lately. So yeah, I'll be looking at Tesla and get going here. What's going on here? A little bit of shaking. So yeah, I got NVIDIA down here. These are my NVIDIA charts below. And let me see something here. So I got a 2 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute on NVIDIA. And then above here I got Tesla. 2, 5, and 15 on Tesla. So I'm going to just mark off some levels here. We'll call that the pre-market low. Call that the pre-market low. Call that the pre-market high. Okay. And here we go. We're off.
Playing from boss.
We are off. Let me see, I switched to the see what goes on here. So look at Google's going. Oh wow. Trader Evolution just had a little delay there. Wow, on the getting going. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna switch back here. Tesla's already making this move. Come on. See, we break. What's going on with the shaking of the charts? Come on now. Okay, well, rejection. Okay, looking at the 5 in Tesla. The 5's got to hold up above 186.32. Ooh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Okay. Ooh, Tesla. See what we do up here around these pre-market highs. See 181, what is this, 188? Tesla might just do one of these Ooh. Come on, Tesla. Pull up to 5 here. Yeah, you see it at 189. Tesla just broke out that 189. Monday, it came right up into it and just rejected off of it, and we're right back up. So, so when you're scalping options, these are good plays because these you could get some serious money off the options. So I'm looking for some type of dip here, in Tesla. Back down in NVIDIA. NVIDIA's having trouble here. Sometimes I try to really give the market some time to play out here because you could get caught on some of these whipsaw moves during the open, or in Tesla's case, it just it just rocket ship straight up. All right, possibly short here on Nvidia. Okay, the market's really not doing too much. Qs are just, you know, holding in there. I think the ultimate play is going to be to the short side with most of these. Tesla being the exception. If I switch over to my chart screen, you can see, I mean, Nvidia came right up into this 127, and it's getting rejected. Tesla's out of here. Google, not really doing too much. You have some resistance pre-market around 183.50. Apple moving, so Apple's strong. So really, it's Tesla, Apple. Those are really only two that I see. Let's go back to the my execution screen here. No real entry for Tesla unless if I'm gonna chase it. Yeah. See if I get something here on Nvidia. What is this? Possibly $1 move. I mean, it could get going. Market looks like it wants to do its thing. First 5-minute candle just closed. A bit of a dip here on Tesla. Maybe 189 for Tesla. 189 is just under VWAP. AMD just broke its pre-market lows. Yesterday's close is right at 126.11 on Nvidia. Let's see what Nvidia does here. Nvidia's coming right back into that 127 level. Gotta try to keep 50-cent risk here. Ooh, what am I doing? Wrong click. Cancel. There you go. All right. Still getting used to this trader evolution. Yeah, that would have been maybe stop below 189. That 189 is will be a support level there, so I'd have to get a little bit closer to that 189. Right at VWAP. Nice VWAP trade. Okay. I still think the market's going to come off, so I don't know how Tesla will react if the market starts, really starts to come out. I might look at this Nvidia short here. I think this could be a play. That would be $1. I could take 200 shares. Yeah. Give me a little push up. I might just we'll get it right there, right? That might not have been an ideal play. Keep an eye on the video. It's gonna be a difficult one. Ooh, wow, look at Tesla. I think Tesla's probably gonna be the one holding up the market. So this NVIDIA could come back in. Let's see here. Yeah, NVIDIA's. I'm out. Okay, $96 loss. We get back in the video, we probably could get back in a bit higher. Now Tesla, on the other hand, Tesla just came right into this the supply zone up here, so yeah, might just get right back into NVIDIA. Because I'm really looking for this market to kind of come off a bit. Doesn't look like it. So try to figure out wow. Well, guys, you know, I said this morning, Tesla, look at Tesla go. I mean, I really wish I would have had a decent entry in this. Like I said, here we go. Here's a curl. It looks like it wants to go. It's going to see 200. You know, probably not today, but here soon. So I'm still stuck on this NVIDIA here. If I short here, this is right where I short. Yeah. This is right where I short. Let me see. Now here we can set some, so let's see if that's 220, right? That's 220 risk above that 2-minute candle. That's one good. That's what I like about pre-market lows. So yeah, I mean, about 220. It's pretty cool how you could move your stops and everything, and you could calculate your risk, and you see what you're risking, and you know. So I mean, as far as NVIDIA goes, this is NVIDIA is being a pain. So this is what I'm looking at as far as NVIDIA goes. 127, I mean, you know, I'm looking for some type of move down, possibly to 123. NVIDIA charts, it's being, you know, it's like right at yesterday's close. I think really Tesla's holding I mean, Tesla's really yeah. Well, I should have stuck to my Look at that. Tesla's moving. Tesla's holding up. I believe Tesla's really the one that's holding up the market right now. Tesla's a play. There's no real entry in that for me. I mean, truthfully, if I got in at VWAP, that would have been a beautiful play. It would have been beautiful. And I'm stuck on this Nvidia is just ranging right here, right at yesterday's close. VWAP's above there. Get the 9 EMA. Qs are kind of coming off last week's lows, so this is a tricky call here on Nvidia. You know, I'm still thinking short on Nvidia, but we're getting some wicks to the, you know, on the lower end of Nvidia. 15 minutes, somewhat of a doji. 5 minute here is looking, you know, it closed green, had this bottoming wick. And here come, see if, yeah, Nvidia's going to be a tough call here. Breakthrough VWAP. Tesla's coming off. Yeah, I'm stuck trying to look for a trade on Nvidia. I mean, there's no real trade here. I mean, it is at resistance. You know, you have, what is that? Yesterday's high. Yesterday's close. All about in the same region here. It got VWAP. You know, Nvidia, well, watching Nvidia here. 227. Watching a rejection. Market's starting to go here. So Qs are starting to go. Google's not really doing anything. It's no real good play on Google. We're down 256 this morning. Messing around with this Nvidia. I should have been in Tesla. You know, That was my top watch. So you can see this 227 level, and you know, I'm liking this on the video. I just, oh, we got some wick rejections off of 193 on Tesla. 193 on Tesla, wick rejection. There's really there's no levels up there that I have, you know, marked out to really be like a resistance. This would just be like a, you know, really a counter trend play, right? Yeah, you know, it would have worked out nice. Yeah, pull back into at least a 9 EMA on the 2-minute, right? So there might be a play here on 25. Might take, I mean, this would be a momentum play. I gotta keep an eye out because we, you know, on this trade the pool account, gotta hold for 60 seconds. So, yeah, I don't know about this one here. I don't think the video is going to be it today. Yeah, cancel that. I don't like it. I don't like it. I mean, yeah, I don't like it. I don't like that, like a breakout on the video. Market's coming right into yesterday's highs. You know, possibly instead of doing the breakout, maybe a pull back into 126.50 on the video. But I don't like it. I mean, it's still, you know, it is above yesterday's highs, but just as pre-market and, you know, post-market, pre-market action, I think this thing is going to curl right back down. There's no long. I mean, you got post-market resistance here, post-market highs here. You know, I mean, this doesn't look. I mean, if you're looking at a chart that's doesn't have any of the pre or post-market data on it, well, I don't think does this chart have pre and post-market? Yeah, so I mean, still that although break above this high here, I mean, you had resistance back here. Let's take a look at the daily. I just don't see in the video going up really too much, you know, too much higher. It's always a possibility. I mean, anything could happen, right? There goes a break. It's trying. The video is trying. goes Microsoft. Microsoft's making this move. Yeah, see that's why I didn't, you know, that's not the ideal area to put a you know, a buy stop. Are we gonna get rejected? Uh-oh. We're rejecting. Yeah. What's all that about? Not the ideal short, but we did reject off of 127 there. We'll see, maybe. The battle zone. The battle zone. That was a bad entry. Really bad entry. Like I said, I like to play around whole dollar and half dollars, right? And I entered right at VWAP. Terrible entry. I had an order at 127. I should have held it. Should have held that order there. But as you guys can see, I mean, we're right at this level here, and this is what I'm looking at. Whether it does it or not. This is tricky. Yeah, this is tricky. Yeah, this is tricky. I'm gonna take it off. It's trying. Yeah, not good. Not good today. Not good. Not good. Not good. Yeah, I've been stuck trading NVIDIA, and this wasn't the shorting NVIDIA. You know, I don't want to get married to my short bias here on NVIDIA, but I mean, yeah, Let me see if I can't get a trade here off at that would be the ideal level, the short. Oh, see, now it's coming back in. You see, now it's, and this is this market's coming back in too. It would be a tricky trade. Tricky trade. Mm. Yeah, it's upsetting. Hey guys, that's what I'm talking about, you see, and I'm not in it. Oh boy, look at that, huh? See, oof. See what it does there. And just getting sucked right back up. Yeah, we got 15 minutes just closed. 15-minute candle just closed. 5-minute candle just closed. 10 o'clock. Tesla's right back into VWAP. Probably shouldn't be trading NVIDIA anymore. $191, $192. On Tesla. Amazon 188, that's going to be a level. Amazon's trading 187.59 right now. Still stuck on this this NVIDIA. Boy, do I want to take this short, and I'd have to reduce risk though. Maybe 200 shares. It's above VWAP, above the 9 moving average. It's tricky. It looks like it looks like it wants to go up, but it's at some a key level right now for me. It's just chop. Look at old Tesla. I'm gonna reduce risk, 200 shares. If I do take something, I don't want to. Ugh, yeah, here goes a break, huh? There goes a break. Well, this is trading for you. It's just a choppy day. Other than Tesla, Microsoft here breaking out. Nvidia, I don't know what to say on this one here. You know, I had the short bias this morning coming in on Nvidia, and I stuck to it, and I traded it terribly. You know, that's why as a day trader you gotta make sure you change your bias when when really price is not confirming what you're thinking, right? Although it was hard to tell. I mean, I mentioned we had wicks down here that was looking bullish. You know, you had some wicks forming, and then we got back up to the, what is this, 127, and you had this one bearish kind of rejection candle on the 2-minute, but it rejected right into VWAP and right into 90 EMA. I mean, yeah, and we had this spike down that was right at 10 o'clock, got sucked right back up, and closed above VWAP, above the 9. We're staying above VWAP, above the 9, and yeah, so terrible trading on Nvidia. Terrible trading on Nvidia. So should get this one off my chart, off my screen, because I do not want to trade this anymore. Let's go check out Tesla. Yeah, wow. Now, this was the ultimate trade. I just, on the momentum, open and drive, I had no entry point. And I called this morning. I said, this looks like a curl, and that's what it's doing. 200 is going to be the focus here on Tesla. Look at that, came right back into 191.50 area. I mean, had a chance, even opportunity somewhere down here to get long. Had an opportunity. I was trying to get in at VWAP. On Tesla. Let's check out Amazon. I'm gonna look for one more trade, trying to make some of this money back. If not, I am going to call it for today. We are now $32 in drawdown on this account, so 2 days of trading just got wiped out. But there are 2 days just with one trade apiece. So I mean, it was, yesterday I had to leave, 10 o'clock. Luckily, I caught one trade. And then Monday I was just getting everything, going. So I didn't, first day trading this account was on Monday. So I didn't do anything, but, I'm going to have to, I'm going to make more trades. Excuse me. I won't make more trades than just one trade a day. Because that's what we do. We make more trades. We're day traders. We make more trades than just one trade a day. So I was looking at Amazon. Interesting on Amazon. Just 188. 188 on Amazon. Take a look at the Qs. Try to take a breather here. Yeah, I mean, like I said, you know, before the market opened this morning, we were right at last week's lows. Yeah, Monday, you know, found a bunch of resistance at last week's lows, and then today, of course, today, we supported last week's lows. So. I think a lot of this movement was to do with Tesla too. So, wow, I'm talking away and look at Amazon. Yeah. Okay, wow, Amazon right up into that what is that, 180, 188 I said. Amazon be a difficult trade. It's not moving too much. Yeah. So as I mentioned, this is AMD. You got yesterday's close on AMD 160.26. And can't hold above it, but AMD is this is interesting here. This is interesting on AMD. Don't know if I'll take it. Truthfully, I don't trust this market today. I don't know. Well, the overall market. You know, I had kind of this bearish bias going into the morning, and you know, I got caught on the wrong side of that with NVIDIA, and just don't trust it. You know, and I feel that I'm still bearish and the market's going up. You know. You know, but with that being said, a lot of times midday we could get a reversal from this whole move. I mean, other than Tesla, everything else is really not doing too much. Amazon's trying to break through that 188. Nvidia's really not doing anything. Let's take that. All right, let's take a look at AMD. Ooh. All right, what is this? 15-minute candle just closed. No, it might be a play here. It's not too much of a range here, right? Spies are at yeah, SPY. Spies are at somewhat of a resistance area here. Google's starting to pick up again. Nvidia just Amazon yesterday's high at 188.84. Amazon just tore right through that 188 level I was looking at. Nvidia coming down to VWAP. Look, just what was that? 4 trades on Nvidia, all losers. Should tell you to stay away from it, but like I say, I had this. Bearish bias going into Nvidia this morning, and it just, yeah, it's a hard one. Interesting on Tesla. Really interesting on Tesla. I just, after one, two, it's just third kind of pullback here. Yeah, after the second pullback, I really don't. I don't really trust these. After the second pullback, I got to be careful because I am down. So. Yeah, I'm down and I still feel like I'm short biased on the overall market. And Tesla really, it has this like an $8 move, right? It's 1019. Amazon right at yesterday's highs. Would have pulled off pretty quick, huh? You see, it's not that much of a range. This is 80, say 188.80, 188.60. So it's not much of a range. 40, 50 cents. Not even. Not even. We'll buy a VWAP in NVIDIA. Here goes the market again. Market looks like it wants to go do its thing again. Followed by Tesla. Yeah. Tesla's leading the move. Let's see if Tesla gets rejected up here at these highs. High of day. What we got here? Okay. SPY just got rejected off of that resistance. It's trying to poke its head through it and came right back down. So let me see something. NVIDIA breakthrough VWAP. I just hate trying this NVIDIA again. I just hate trying this NVIDIA again. But I believe my overall bias on NVIDIA was correct. I mean, it's frustrating. Just the move didn't happen when you really wanted it to. 5 minute just closed. Looking lower on the video now. Yeah. I'm not going to chase that move. Market's coming off. It's almost 10:30. Wow. Wow. Well, I was targeting down here pre-market lows on the video. AMD looks like it's going to break through low a day. Amazon broke through yesterday's high. Mixed bag here for the overall market. You see, this was my short, yeah. So it's upsetting when you have a bias, you have a short bias or long bias, whatever bias you have, right? And you take multiple stabs at it and they don't work. And then when it does, go your way, I mean, it's frustrating, right? I mean, ultimately, I was trying to short around here. It came up to really post-market high. And, yeah. Oh, boy. The unfortunate part, I'm not in it, right? On the breakthrough VWAP, yeah, it's probably a good thing. I mean, could have made all my money back today. Look at the video go. This bad trading this morning, just bad trading. Wow, the market's really coming back in on Tesla's. Wow. I'll switch over here. Let me see. So, yeah, look at this. So, SPY, rejection. It's coming right back into VWAP. NASDAQ, with this SPY. NASDAQ, same thing. NASDAQ did break through yesterday's high. Came up. Now we're coming right back in. So, VWAP. Amazon's looking real strong. Wow. Amazon breakthrough 188. That was a great play. I wasn't really looking at Amazon. I just been stuck on Tesla in the video all this morning. I did take a look at AMD break through the yesterday's close. That didn't happen, and you can see we're straight down. Google. I was looking, Google. I was looking longer, but Google's an inside day. It did break through yesterday's high. Did not break through post-market or pre-market highs. Then, of course, NVIDIA. You can see NVIDIA go. Wow. So I'm going to switch back over here to my execution screen because I might actually take a short. I might just try to take a short here on Tesla. See if I could get the VWAP. Let's see what happens here. I might not even get it. Am I gonna? The 50s. Yeah, I don't like that entry. That's not a great entry. Wow, the market's really selling off. See. Frustrating. You know, it is frustrating. I said coming in this morning, I had a bearish bias, trying to short Nvidia. Other than Tesla, I was bullish Tesla, and Tesla made its move, and I did not take advantage of it. Very upsetting. Same thing with Nvidia. I was just stuck on Nvidia, trying to short Nvidia all this morning, and you know, just in the past, you know what, 6-7 minutes, you know, Nvidia finally made its move. Pre-market low right now, touch pre-market low, and Tesla being as strong as it is, if there's really not, I mean, I just can't see Tesla breaking down too much. Doesn't mean it can't happen, but you know, the overall market just had this one little large 5-minute bearish candle that pretty much took out the past 30 minutes worth of price action. Probably not a good short on Tesla. At this moment, I'm just looking for something to get into, and that's not a good idea. Short back down to VWAP. Tesla's, you know. See if the market comes off again. Doesn't look like it. Just probably going to close out. Probably call it a day. Yeah. Yeah, terrible short. See, I'm just trying to look for something to get into now. It's upsetting. Yeah, no, down 688 on the day. So, Skeleton drawdown, $200. Took the loss on Tesla. I had not had a winning trade all day long. That's a sign. That's a sign. Oh, 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 damn it. I did not want to do that. What am I doing? Yeah. It's not what I wanted to do. At all. I mean, that risk reward, that risk reward sucks. uh, I don't know. Yeah, I highly doubt this is going to break through VWAP. It's more of an area to look to be buying Tesla, not selling Tesla. I just wonder if this market's gonna sell off again. Everything looks like it wants to sell. Qs are showing some weakness here. SPY selling off. Qs are starting to sell. Tesla's kind of holding up here. VWAP right there. I don't know if price is gonna break through VWAP. Watching the 9 EMA. Not the ideal shorting spot. But if we could get some selling momentum in this market, Tesla might break through VWAP and just have some type of spike down here. We're right at VWAP now. So I'm watching these 15-minute candles. This would be a good area just to close it out. Just flatten the trade, but here we go. We're breaking through VWAP. Are we gonna hold? VWAP rejection? Nope. No, not the ideal spot to be to be short Tesla right now. Out. Yeah, this is more so of an area to be buying Tesla. You bring the what is this, the 15-minute, you see where this level comes into play. Let me see here. Yeah. Hourly chart. We had these highs about, what was this, 2 weeks ago. So we broke through these highs 2 weeks ago, and yeah, I think this is the hourly chart. More so of an area to be buying Tesla, not shorting it. Wow, Amazon really took off after a break of that 188. Amazon's currently at 190.60. Has not looked back after the break of that yesterday's intraday resistance and pre-market highs at 188. My daughter's getting anxious here. Had to run and get some coffee. Wow, Amazon is really going. What's going on with Tesla around these levels here? Tesla's really... So... It's going on 11 o'clock, so, I mean... Gotta be careful here. Other than Amazon and Microsoft looks like it's going a bit. Buy stop above 192.50 maybe. $192.50 buy stop. Market's heading back up. What was this? 191, 191.60. Nvidia might break through its lows here. Amazon is probably just, I mean, not Amazon, but Tesla. Oh, maybe see what happens with Tesla here. See if it goes. If it doesn't go, I'm gonna end up cutting it. Yep, we're in. Okay, let's see here. Are we gonna hold or are we just 193 is on the table? Five-minute candle just closed, so we gotta keep going. Gotta keep going. Don't pull back. Don't pull back, come on. Boy, oh boy. Not good. And the market looks like it wants a turn again too. Yeah, the market looks like it wants to turn again. So, oh, the market looks like it wants to turn. Yeah. Market's turning. Back below the 9. Back below the 9 EMA. Terrible, man. Terrible, terrible. Market's turning. Right back down to VWAP on Tesla. Touch VWAP. It rejected off of VWAP. I didn't want to hold it down there. I had, with 400 shares, sure didn't want to hold it all the way down to VWAP. NVIDIA again rejected off a pre-market low. Of course, right? Of course. Of course. Wow. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 11. again, it's not really the ideal spot. Well, the same thing if it, oof, came right to it, huh? Not the ideal spot. If I get triggered in, I'm gonna get out. If any signs of reason, I'll get out really quick. I ain't got, you know, I'm looking for a momentum push back up to his highs maybe. But it's not the ideal spot because of these wicks here. Got wicks back here. Market looks like it's turning over again. The only thing I'm looking at is a bullish 5-minute candle and possibly a nice 15-minute setup. So we're actually going in 11 o'clock. So yeah, this might be a get me in and then rip right against me. So if it doesn't get me in by 11 o'clock and everything holds up as it is, rather have my buy stop at 193.18. I'm sitting at 193.10. Yeah, you see, there goes once again, here goes NVIDIA. Why am I not back trading NVIDIA? Lost too many times on it this morning and I lost confidence, but overall my bias was correct. I just had bad entries. And that's just, you know, that's just the reality. So yeah, all right, 15-minute just closed on Tesla. 15-minute candle just closed around the board. All right, let's see here. NVIDIA's fallen. Market back in its range. Actually, Qs are at VWAP. S&Ps are at VWAP. Yeah. I can tell you what, I really feel like this market's gonna, well, I said it in the morning, I said this market's probably gonna be in a range today, right? So it's doing that. It's in, so far it's in the range. It's ranging. So, all right, watching Tesla. See what happens here. Like I said, this is going to be a quick one. I'm going to get out if it goes against me, if it even triggers me into this trade. You know. Which that 193, that could be resistance. You know, I mean, you have wicks here, yeah, wicks here, wicks here. I'm buying just above 193. Not a quality trade whatsoever. And the market looks like it's trying to sell off here a little bit. 193 probably was a short, not the buy. But we are above VWAP. We are above the 9 moving average. 15-minute chart looks bullish. Looks bullish. 5-minute, maybe. You always come back down and test VWAP. Test the support level that it put in at about 191. And the market's selling off. NVIDIA just cracked its lows, pre-market lows. Oh boy. This is... par for the course, right? Was it almost $1 move? Wow. 193 all the way down to 192 almost. Yeah. Tricky. Tricky. Market looks like it wants to sell off again. Qs are below VWAP. What? Oh, what was that? Why is that doing that? Well, that was weird. Yeah, that was weird. Price just bit of a gap there. Wasn't coming through clearly. Do. Look at NVIDIA. And NVIDIA's at a level, you know, possible, let's see. Take a look at NVIDIA. We're coming right down in this this level in NVIDIA right here at 123 area. Possible, let's see on the daily, yeah, okay. Possible area to buy NVIDIA, look for buy setups. Possibly. Okay, what we at? We at 11:09. We got 1 minute before the 5-minute candle closes. NVIDIA steady selling off. Well, NVIDIA is breaking through that level. Like I said, short bias this morning on NVIDIA. I traded like trash. Traded NVIDIA like trash this morning. Market selling off. Tesla's gonna try to break this level here. Market selling off, so let's get ready here. It's either gonna break and rip, or it's gonna be a false breakout here. Like I said, with the market selling off, yeah, look at that. Ooh. Market's really starting to tear here. I got my 2 minutes. Look at this, yeah. SPYs, Qs, going right back down to last week's lows. 15-minute on the Q. So we're almost at daily lows, yeah, see. Okay. No buys on Tesla, that's for sure. Not now, at least. NVIDIA just broke through those key levels I was looking at. Yeah, we're below VWAP. Market just touched last week's lows. Interesting levels here. Interesting. Is that going to be the entry opportunity for Tesla? That was a oof. Well, yeah. Was that the opportunity to get long Tesla? Maybe. Market just right down to last week's lows. Excuse me. Rejected right off of last week's lows. Still bearish. Still bearish. Short at the 9. Don't know about that. Well, short at the 9, right? It's almost 50 cents. Ah, Tesla moves, huh? Tesla's moving. And 190 on Tesla too. AMD's coming into yesterday's lows. Nvidia is trying to do something off that this level here. Yeah. Poke through it. Right. Okay. Like I said, was that an area to get long? And it's the first 5-minute wick down to this level. They always could come right back down and retest the low. VWAP. Not the low of the day or anything. It's just this consolidation low here. Market just wicked last week's lows. So what is it, 50s? Back at that 50, this I entered in right there. That one. I even had 2 losing trades on it. 1 winner and 2 losers on Tesla, and the winner wasn't all that great. Nvidia's bouncing. Nvidia's bouncing. What am I at? 155s. Took a long there, Tesla. 155 long. Be interesting here. It doesn't look promising. Looks like it's gonna. Yeah, here goes the market again. Market's trying to hold up. I'm not trying to. Oof. Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, the real play on the real play on Tesla is going to be a break above that 193. Yeah, I got wicked out there, man. Come on. Oh, that's why I say I still haven't switched over to my execution screen here. Yeah, so anyways, this is a trade I took. Break above the 9, break above the 192.55, 192.50. Got in 192.55. It came up. Looked like it wanted to go. There was some buying going on in the tape now. And yeah, it had this wick. I just got out of it. Believe it or not, it was a $50 loss. It was trying to get break even, but so let me watch here for see what happens around 193. It's 11:19 a.m. I got shook out that trade there. I could tell you right now, I got shook out that trade. Not really the ideal time frame. Right now, 11, 12 o'clock's not the ideal time to be scalping. So, holding these trades are, all right. That we're in. All right. And on the break of 193, is it going to do it? Like I said, now's not the time to be scalping. Better time to be holding, but I am trading still 400 shares, which is large size. Or, decent size, not large size, but it's decent size. And I'm already down 766 for the day. I don't want any of these trades to go against me. I'm just trying to make some money back here. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. I keep getting these nice moves on these pops. I had my last trade was a beautiful trade. I got shooken out, unfortunately. Yeah, so. And like I said, we got to hold these trades for at least 60 seconds, and so yeah. And you see right now we're getting like come on now. Might have to bring back the 1 minute chart, for like my morning trading. I haven't been using it, just trying to hold on to these trades longer. But yeah, I might have to bring it back here. Right now is not the best time to be trading off the 1 minute chart. But neither, like I said, do I want any of these trades to go against me. I'm at I'm in at 193.04. here goes the market. Market's bouncing off of VWAP here. Yeah, I think this is gonna be my day. Oh, why is it shaking? There you go. Let's go. Come on. Alright, let's see what happens here. 194, 400. There you go, come on, 190, alright, 193.40, 193.50. Alright, break through the 50s, alright, let's go, let's go. Let's see what happens here. Market looked like market broke through VWAP. The Qs, the SPYs, both through VWAP. Showing rejections again. Tesla. It's too early to tell. Gotta remember we're on the 1 minute, 2 minute now. That first trade that I took out, I got shooken out. That was a good trade. Now we got 50 cents right now, so well, we did have 50 cents. Come on, Tesla. Target back up to the highs on Tesla. Hopefully, I mean, if we get a nice little momentum push right through the highs, that would be great. I can make my day back. If not, I really want to just make some money back, right? It all depends on what this market wants to do. Going towards lunchtime. Historically, I don't do so good, you know, around this time of day. So, you know, I don't even think I'm going to be able to make anything on this trade here. We'll see. Bounced off 150. Tesla's just going back and forth. Yeah, I'm out. Nothing. This might be the high for Tesla right now. Right back below 193. It's a tricky day. I mean, Tesla had its move in the morning, and I didn't take advantage of it. And go figure, probably get shaken out right there. 193. What's going on here with NVIDIA? Market looks like it's turning over again. It's back below VWAP. Q's back below VWAP. SPY trading back below VWAP. AMD is trying to make its way back down to yesterday's lows. Let me see if we can. All right, market. Come on, Qs that look like they're back below VWAP. Looks like a range. All right, let's do something here. We're gonna do something here. I wonder if this is gonna work. Where am I at? 193.19. Tesla. In. Market still look like it wants to go back down to its lows. Oh, we'll see what happens with Tesla. I do not want to risk any more money today. Come on, let's get moving. Let's go. Let's get back up to its highs now. Come on, Tesla. $193 has to hold on Tesla. Market's heading right back down to its lows. Come on, Tesla. 93.20. All right, nice candle, nice candles forming on the 5 minute. Is 5 minute there? It's weird how price seems not to be updating quick. Yeah, kind of have this curling going on, maybe. Oof. Okay. Some green on the tape here. Green on the tape for Tesla. Nice 5 minute, 93 long, 93.19 long. We're already at 93.50. It's going to be a key level here. It's going to be difficult here on Tesla. I mean, bringing over my Thinkorswim charts, you got a lot of wicks up here, but then again, you got a lot of support down here, which, I mean, it could take it out. You already made the curl on the daily here. Made the curl on the daily. It's an hourly. I don't really look at the hourly charts other than to do my levels. And then the 5 minute here. It's a tricky play. Tricky play. And then with the market, I don't know. This market's just kind of chopping around now. It looks like it wants to go down. But I would like to see Tesla break 94. 94, 95 on Tesla. Make my day back. Make my day back. We'll see though. Nvidia is right at that level, so keep Nvidia up. Keep the market up. The Qs and the S&P is below VWAP. 9250, wow. Come on, Tesla. This is like 92. I mean, 93, not 92. 93. 193.50 is just that level. It's that level there. All right. The Qs look like they're moving back up towards VWAP. Not the best trade in the day on my part. Not the best. All right, here's gonna be the tricky thing. I want to hold this, but I'm not in the best position. Ooh, there we go. All right, broke through 193.50, going up to the high. Let's see what happens around 194. All right, 194 on Tesla. 194. 194.21 is the not all time high. Yeah, right. It's the day's high. So come on, get up to 190. Let's see and get rid of that here. Day's high is at 194.21. All right. Looks like a bit of a curl here on the NVIDIA. The Qs and the SPY are like, well, SPY is above VWAP. Qs are right at VWAP. Yeah, I want to lock in something. I mean, I'd be a fool not to, right? 100. If I could get it in time. I'm locking up. Ooh, oh, no, not my whole lot. Not my whole clip. Not my whole clip. 100. There you go. Not my whole clip. There you go. Took 100 out. $77. 300 on the break of the day's high. See if we get it. See if we get it. 300 shares left. Breaking day's high on Tesla. Hold it. 195. Day's high on Tesla. We just broke. Are we going to hold it? Market's rolling over. Market's rolling over. And closed right at day's high. We don't. Market right out. Oh, okay. All right, there we go. There's Tesla. There's the break. 195 inbound. 195. I'll even take, yeah, I'm 100 at 190 on 194. I keep forgetting to do this. Where am I at here? Yeah. 194.90. Take 100 out there. 194.90. I don't know. This is a strong move. This might really rip. This might really rip. Come on. There's a breakout play now. Tesla breaking out. We're up 423 on this position. Making money back. That's what I want. What I need. It did look good. Where we hit? Where did we hit? What are you doing now? 1 minute? That's not good. Come on. This is tricky. This is tricky. Couldn't even make it a 195. Come on, the market SPYs look like they're ready to take off. The SPY S&P 500 looks like it's ready to take off. NASDAQ still holding below VWAP. Tesla just came right back down to its previous high day after the break. Take off 100 there. Just locked in another 138 on Tesla. $200 shares left. 200 shares left. See if we get to 195 on Tesla. 195 on Tesla. All right. Qs are right at VWAP. SPY's doing its thing. It looks like it wants to move a little bit higher here. 200 shares on Tesla. There's a break. 195 inbound. Should we just take? Oh, yeah, maybe not. We're gonna. Come on now. Wow, is there some selling here? I would think it would be a better. Why am I? I don't want this order. It came up right up to one. I would think there'd be some. Yeah, I'm out. All right. Down 291 for the day. So, not bad. A lot better than the 7 I was initially down. Made some decent profits on this Tesla here. Wow. Pull over these charts here. You see, this is what I should on this Tesla trade. I should have really took like 200 shares around 192. 192 with yeah, the 192 level was around VWAP, and is this support area here. That's what I should have really done. 200 shares. Tesla's moving right back up. Figure, but 200 shares at 192. Stop below 190, 191. Yeah, 191. That would have gave me a stop of what $1. So about $200. I mean, that would have been a nice trade, you know. But I've been trading with 400 shares on this account, and you know, slapped me in the face this morning with this with old Nvidia. You know, as you can see, I had, you know, I was right about my bias. I just poor execution. I mean, I think if I look back on this, I mean, it was above VWAP here. There's no reason for me to be shorting above VWAP right here. This was a tricky trade. He had pre-market support down here. You know, the first trade, I want to call this trade really too much of a bad trade. I had this trade here. Didn't respect my stop. It did come in, but you know, then again, I stopped out. You know, instead of risking all the way up here, you know, I took the stop. I mean, I just closed the trade out quickly. Did jump right back in short. After seeing the rejection of VWAP, jumped right back in short, and that time I put my stop up here, and it didn't play out. It came right back down, came up, broke above the 9 moving average. So that's not something I want to see on a momentum play. And look at Tesla. Tesla's wow. There you go. There's Tesla, 195.14, 195. Broke 195. Tesla's out of here. Go Tesla. Well, they win some, you lose some. I'm all right with that. But yeah, looking back on the video again, you know, once we got back up above VWAP, above the 9 moving average, I tried shorting right at VWAP, right at the 9 moving average. Terrible short. Terrible short. I mean, if you look at the waves, move down, move up, broke this kind of like little high here. You know, if you look on it, this is a 2 minute. If you look at a 1 minute chart, you know, you'd see a bit more consolidation here. So you broke above that high, came down right at VWAP, right above this high, shorted right there. Terrible short. Terrible short. Closed out, and then shorted after this spike, and shorted again, and then just closed out, and that was it for me. I mean, yeah, that just terrible entries on Nvidia. No better not to be shorting above VWAP in this scenario. I mean, the only reason I was doing this, shorting above VWAP, the only reason I was shorting above VWAP is just, you know, I was looking at this level here, right? This 127. So I was really looking at this 127, you know, to, you know, pre-market sold off, come up around 127, key level here for me, you know, and then I was looking for the curl off that. So I was trying to short it, and you know, round high, you know, the high day. This was the morning, so I mean, it just wasn't. You know, I had this level. I had my bias. I was, you know, bit bearish the market this morning. I was really bearish on Nvidia. That was my level to go short. Look for the curl to come down, and I did not make it. You know, it didn't do it. I mean, I was right. I mean. Sucks being right and losing money, right? But I was right on my overall call. It didn't play out till after 10. So after 10 a.m., you know, that's when it played out. I mean, he had a 2 minute rejection candle there, and then finally broke through VWAP. I was looking at the short here, but you know, when it broke through VWAP here, he had this wick. I was worried about this 2 minute candle doing it. Came all the way down, pre-market low. That was my initial target for the morning, is pre-market low. And then kind of consolidated here, and this is when I got stuck on Tesla. You know, had a couple good trades. I mean, you know, right here, 9 moving average, came up to 9 moving average, sold, you know, right about this 125, and then break a pre-market low, 123, $2 move down, and yeah, 123, give or take. Yeah, you see the level that I have marked off here on the video. Like I said, I mentioned this level here. And I mentioned this level here as NVIDIA got down towards it. So yeah, I mentioned that level, and NVIDIA got down towards this level, and look at these, had this this 15-minute chart. So you had the 15-minute came right down and closed, I would say just below the middle of the candle. And then you had this like green kind of, came up and then, got sold right before the 15-minute candle closed. This candle doji, break above, and now the video is moving higher. So that was that level. But nice if that curl right here. I'm just looking at that curl. If that curl happened, that would have been beautiful on the video. And I wouldn't have got stuck in this drawdown this morning. But there might have been a trade. It would have been a tricky level. It is going on 12 o'clock, so 12 o'clock is a time, I would say for my style of trading, you can try to catch reversals, the move, and then especially if it comes down into a level. Once again, the video came right back down in this 123. 123, we're trading at 124.50, so $1.50, $1.50 above that 123 that we're already moving, heading right towards VWAP. 125 on NVIDIA, 125. So also coincides with it. Well, not the pre-market low, but yeah. Upsetting on the video, but what can you do about it, right? It's trading. You're not gonna win them all. Let's see here, and then Tesla. Let me pull up a better chart. Tesla. Short stopped out. I don't know what I was doing there. I mean, it was above the 9. The market was selling off. It looked like it wanted to come down to VWAP, and I was looking at like this kind of swing low here, 192. I was really looking at 192. Did not do it. That wasn't a great ideal trade too. Really, my trading hasn't been that great this morning, truthfully. Shorted here, covered here. I mean, that was, I don't know, maybe about $100, $130. I don't know what that was. Have to look, but not the ideal trade. It did poke through, and I thought it was gonna go and break through VWAP. Sometimes it could go, and Tesla could go and break the prior swing. But like I said, Tesla, I called it this morning on Tesla. I just did not have the ideal entry. I got to go back. Maybe I did on a 1-minute chart. I was trading the 2-minute chart. There probably was a good entry, on the 1-minute chart, but on the 2-minute chart, you had this one big long candle, and then another one, and then then I was looking at try to get in, truthfully, around 189 on Tesla. It did not make it there, and then maybe a VWAP trade, bounce off VWAP, 189.50, stop below 189, but 189 was a support for me. So I didn't want to put my stop right before, below 189 and, have it come with 189 and then, get stopped out and have to, I could have probably re-entered right at 189. So yeah, 2-minute, this candle here on the 2-minute could have put a buy stop here and then have a rip right up. Did not do that. I was too busy trading NVIDIA. But Tesla was a real play. Started trading in around 11:30. Like I said, some shorts wasn't the ideal. was an ideal trade short. The ideal trade was 192 off VWAP on Tesla. Stop below the swing low. I mean, tight stop. And then, this candle here probably would have, this is difficult. If you kept your stop where it was, if you were kind of holding it, that's more of a, I mean, you're talking about, that's like a 30-minute, well, what is this? Yeah, it's like a 30-minute move right here. I mean, it's hard to call because I'm a scalper. I just, that's my style of trading. And, doing something like this and holding it for 30 minutes, if you got in this first VWAP test, you'd have to hold it. I mean, on 400 shares, you'd be up $400 and just see $400 in profit go away. Now, trade the pool. That like I always say, trade the pool. They don't have an intraday trailing drawdown, so it's not like you're up $400 and your drawdown or your what am I trying to say? Your stop level is going to move up with that 400 now. So, I mean, you could be up 400 and it goes right against you. But, I don't like to be up $400 and just let it go, let those profits go. So if I were doing something like that, yeah, you could trade around your core position. If that was your core, you could, scale out 193, load back up at 192, and then do the thing there. I mean, but not really my style. Although trading this account, being that you have to hold for at least 60 seconds, you can't just scalp in and out, like I like to do. That might be something to look at trying to get into, trading around the core position. If you got, you had the, you had this first swing here on the 2 minute, came down. That was also coincide with VWAP, load up, stop below that, stop below the low, scale out, come back down. And, we might actually do something here on Tesla here. Look at this. 195 short. Probably not gonna get it. Probably not gonna get that. 200 shares, half risk. Let me try it. What's a high one? Risking 50 cents, so 200 shares. But yeah, back to Tesla. So yeah, short here, is it? Yeah, no. Is that a short? What was this here? How do you pull? 400 at, okay. And that was a long, stopped out on that long. Had the right idea. Like I said, I should have held it, but I was trading larger size, so 400 shares. Just cut it right there. Price came up and came back down. Test VWAP again. What was this? This was after I saw this. I don't know what I was doing here. Tried short. I think I was on the 1 minute chart or something. I must have been on the 1 minute, or I could have. No, you know what? I'm lying. This is a long. Yeah, this is a long. So I took the long here. Yeah, I'm lying. This is a long trade. Took the long here, and then it got, this 2 minute candle got pushed right back down, and did not like that. And I just took the small profit there, which was probably just a break-even trade in my book. And then yeah, we moved. We did go higher, and then that was the ideal trade. I mean, for this move here, if I held that, I mean, even if I got out right there, that's still that was still a dollar move, right? So I'm still 400, but excuse me. Got back in here on the break of these highs, not the ideal trade at all. It did go up, did get some momentum upwards. Came right back down to the 90 EMA. I took it out at break even. You can see take it out at break even right there. And you know, it came down, and then I got right back in after it broke above this. I think I was trading on the 1 minute chart. You know, made its move, scaled, closed the rest, and here we are. So 12 o'clock. I don't think I'll get that. What am I actually above 195? Am I? I think I'm 195 short. 195 short. NVIDIA. Tesla. 15 minute on the Tesla. 5 minute, right? Other than 195, there's no resistance or anything up here, so it's not like, you know, anything ideal other than being 195. You know, I mean, possibly if I could get into it. I'm not going to get in. It's not going to allow me to get into it. So no, I only got 100 shares anyways on it, right? Wow. Okay. Well, 50 bucks. Copy some over here. Yeah. Interesting level here. 194.21. 194.21. Say Amazon made a move today. Google, not so much. Kind of an inside day on Google. After breaking out all-time highs on Google. Nice little inside day. NVIDIA. Pain trade today. For me, at least. Sure, somebody made some money on it. Not me. Buy stop right above 194.50 on Tesla. Did not take it. 2 minute, or actually that's 1 minute. 1 minute hammer candle. Which don't think Tesla's gonna go any really higher, you know, right now. Being midday and like I said, 195, 190. I mean, this was a great move on Tesla today. And as I say, you know, I called it this morning. I got stuck trading NVIDIA. Wasn't really focusing on Tesla. Nice little curl. Here's a daily. Look at that. Boom, boom. Curling above the 50 and the 100 moving average. 200. I mean, $200 in Tesla's incoming. 205. This area here. Resistance. Wow. No. Today's the first day. I mean, tomorrow we'll see what transpires with Tesla. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how much more higher we could go today. Tesla has an ATR of you can see right down here, 14-day average true range of $7.22. You know, we made that move today. We made that $7 move today. So surpassed it, and that's why the ATR is actually curling. You see the ATR going up. So I mean, we made that. You know, we made the move today. The ATR. So don't know how much more higher Tesla could go today. I mean, it could go. I mean, don't get me wrong, Tesla could go, but don't think it's gonna go much more higher above 195. Could be wrong though. 200 could be in play today. I just don't see it, but truthfully, it could be in play today. That's $5 higher. Here we go. We're getting the move back up to 195 on Tesla. See what happens here. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, well. Wow, look at that wick. That was like a 40 cents wick there. But now we should see 200 by the end of the week on Tesla. 205 maybe. 205 by the end of the week on Tesla. Yeah, it's 12.12, down 191.50. Lots of trades today. Lots of trades. Be an interesting level to buy. Oh, no, actually I changed my mind. Saw something else. Tesla fade 195. There's a 194 down here. Nvidia. Apple's moving today too. Apple is moving today. All right, let's okay, what we think here? 90 break. This is interesting. Yeah, I might try along here on the video. See if we could get 50 cents out of it. I just don't want to risk. I don't. It's interesting. Just don't know what the market wants to do. Tesla looks like it's gonna go down. Buy down here towards these waves. I mean, he got a lot of rejections on both sides. What was that? They didn't get executed on that, did they? Oh, that was a sell. Wrong button. Can't be doing that now, huh? Oh my god. What is? I gotta get this confirmation stuff off the window. Should hit the market right here. Hit the market. What'd I get filled? Yeah, 124. Did buy, right? Yeah. All right, I got filled at 124.04 on the video. I'm just looking for 50 cents. I don't know, something here. Just something. Tesla just broke down. You be careful. Have to be careful here. 124.20. I'm try to get 50 cents. 47 cents, I don't know, something like that. Oof, 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 oof. Look at that, look at that. That Tesla looks like it wants to drag down the market. Come on, Nvidia, let's go, come on. Just trading this, like, if you draw a trend line right there, I mean, right? Trend line, you see it? I mean, Tesla's tanking, so, I mean, I'm worried it's going to drag down the market. Tesla. Still showing some wicks here. Out of coffee. I need some more coffee. NVIDIA. Come on, NVIDIA, give me something here. $0.50 on NVIDIA. Give me something. 1R. Terrible, man. NVIDIA just can't get going. Yeah, 1 minute around this time of day. Yeah, I'll show you guys a trend line right quick. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know, something like that, right? I'm not a big trend line trader, but you know. Looks like we're not getting any movement. 5-minute candle just closed bullish here on the video, so that looks good. I mean, I can't even get 50 cents out this thing. This thing, I mean, it is midday. I mean, it is 12:20, so there's what can I really expect, right? I mean, price is not going to be moving, and I'm not. I'm gonna close out this trade, and I'm gonna call it a day. Here in a second. I mean, 76. I just would like to get this 50 cents, at least 50 cents out this trade. But if not, I can see NVIDIA going right back up to VWAP. I mean, we'll see. But I'm not going to be greedy. I just wanted, well, it's actually, I got like, yeah, around about 50 cents. Does not look like it's going to give it to me. Midday, market's just kind of not doing much here. Back and forth on NVIDIA. $300 shares on NVIDIA. I'm reducing risk. That's what sucks about midday trading. Price doesn't move. I mean, been sitting in this trade for 2, 4, 6, 8 minutes now. Not even up 40 cents. Can't even get 40 cents out of it. It hasn't really done anything. Market looks like it wants to go back down to VWAP. Yeah, I'm getting antsy here. Come on. Just pop up there right quick. Where am I at? Sell order at 124.65. I'm in at 124.04. About 60 cents. I can't even get it up there. If I stick a stop at break even, it'll probably get, I mean, if it doesn't get up there, it'll get triggered, and, you know, this might even, see what happens here. I don't know if this is, come on, it just do something. That's a small little pop. That's all we need. So and above the 90 EMA. I don't know what the overall market is. There we go. We're getting some green on the tape on the Qs. Would have been a nice short on Tesla, huh? 195.50. Yeah, I just, come on. What? Out. All right, out of Tesla. Out of NVIDIA, excuse me. Out of NVIDIA. Might have been a good call. It didn't. I don't know. Well, I think that's good for today. Okay, I'm only down 176, so came back. Made a comeback after being down about $700 and something, so happy about that. So yeah, I guess we'll run through these trades. We had here do it like this, right? So you gotta have patience midday. I'm gonna tell you right now. If you're trading midday, you gotta have patience. I just don't have that much patience. And I have to see price just bouncing up and back and forth like this, and in 2-minute chart. And I'm down, especially when I'm down for it. If I'm not down for the day, yeah, okay, stop, move to break even, or whatever. And look at that. Look at this NVIDIA. Yeah. There you go. That was my target. But hey, that's all right. I'm happy we made some money back today, right? So, okay. So yeah, this morning started out rough. Messing around with NVIDIA. Bad entries on NVIDIA. Tesla. Made some money on Tesla first trade, and we lost some money trying to short Tesla when Tesla was above VWAP. I was trying to short it. Weren't the ideal shorts. Had the one Tesla breakout long, so the breakout from the high day, and wow, there goes Tesla there. Wow, oh wow. Yeah, and then NVIDIA long, I don't know, maybe about $100 on that one. So Here goes the market ripping higher. 130. I mean, 1230, right? 1230 and market rips higher. So, Nvidia trade. Yeah, see, Tesla breakout long. I mean, we went through these charts already. And then this last trade on Nvidia, and I wasn't feeling confident on it. I mean, after losing so many times on Nvidia, I mean, I don't want to be stubborn, right? I want to be hard-headed and keep trying to short, or and then switch, seeing it might be breaking out here and come back down to VWAP, switch long, and then that didn't work out, and then so like I said, my ultimate bias here on Nvidia was short. We had the short play. I just was too early for the short. That's it. Okay. And then this last trade here, like I said, this was kind of like a VWAP. It's kind of like a trend line, come up, come back up, lower high, higher low, or am I saying that right? Higher high, higher low. I'm doing I'm doing this wrong, right? Okay, you got the lows. All right. Higher low, higher high. There you go, right? I think I got it. All right. I got a nice little reversal candle right there at that previous high. So anyways, yeah, and if you draw a trend line, you see that there. Got in there. My exit was right here, 124.66. I took it out there. It's 12:30, and I think I'm done trading for the day. Made the money back, so still down 176 for the day, but hey, that's okay. That is okay. Better than I was down fighting this Nvidia all morning long, right? So we could do a. Okay, let's do this here. Oh, whoa. Get that off of there. Get that off of there. Oh, man. Yeah, get these off of here, right? All right, limit order canceled. Okay. Oh, what's going on here? Shift 2. There you go. All right. I set up these hotkeys to switch the screens. See, I can switch the screens over with these hotkeys. So, yeah. So, like I said, market Qs. See this down here? Qs have not really gone anywhere. Came down. Last week's lows, bounced off that, chopping around VWAP. Really not doing anything today. Okay, SPY, same thing on SPY. Although SPY did break its highs in this resistance level I got here. So SPY did do that. So yes, I mean not really much of anything as far as movement for today. I mean, truthfully, as far as the overall markets go, Qs, SPYs, not this kind of chopping around. Like I said, probably a range day, no economic data, nothing really look forward to other than Tesla. Other than Tesla making that move this morning, beautiful move. Down here, Amazon was talking about that 188 level this morning. Once it broke through 188, it was off to the races. 189 was yesterday's high. I believe that's what yesterday's high was. 189, yeah. 189 was yesterday's high. Tore through 189 and at 192 right now. Great move on Amazon. Google, it said all-time highs yesterday on Google. No real follow through this morning. Although I was looking at the what is it, about 182.60, 182.70 level. support this morning. Dollar move higher. Microsoft, a little bit of move in Microsoft. Apple did a nice little move. Apple made a move today. I mean, a $200.11. Yeah, 211 right here. 211. That would have been a nice spot. Maybe 50 cent. Maybe 200 shares. Something like that on Apple here. Nice move. We got a 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Well, so wow, yeah, a $4 move on Apple. Tesla was a mover today, and so is Amazon. Amazon's continuing to go higher. Look at this. So yeah, all in all, upset about my trading this morning on the Nvidia. Looking for that curl off of 127. Took multiple stabs at it. Each time was a losing trade. So upset about that. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. One last look at the P&L. Of course. Okay, P&L, all the trades. So down 176 on the day. As I mentioned, balance. So the balance in this account is at now $299.50. So $300. So $300 up for the week. This losing day today. Let's see what the rest of the week brings us. $300 up, and yeah, that was the day. Down 176, and I will be back on tomorrow. Same thing. Try to get some more levels done up today. I got a couple things to do, and yeah, let's see if tomorrow will be a better day. We got some economic data coming out tomorrow, so 8:30 before the market opens, 8:30 a.m. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the stream now, and yeah, I will be back on tomorrow. Tomorrow's another day, and make it a green day maybe. We'll see. So yeah, alrighty. Thanks. See you tomorrow.